Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today is 33rd of March and it's nearly 10 to 9. I've got my excuse me, I've got my fan on here. It's just pulling all the moist air out because the humidity in here has been absolutely off the scale lately. So just got that set up. It pulls it from there. I've got a 250 watt fan there, and then it down under there, and the hole in the bottom there, and it takes out the moist warm air. But yeah, this is a tray I use to water my plants. I'm keeping it empty of water unless I'm using it. There I've got my begonias, Thompson & Morgan begonias from last year. They were plug plants. These are my delphiniums, which I've got 7 plants out of 1, which I'm really pleased about. There's my rosemary. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Keeping things nice and level and going. Up here I have a Agastaea, apricot, gypsophilia there, pinks and 10-week stocks, lemon balm, as you can see there, what's there, growing. As we come round, my beautiful petunias, my Papaver somniferum, my poppies, sweet peas. These are some potting on I've done today. These are some marigolds that have just been taken out of the watering tray. I'll give them a feed tomorrow when they've recovered a little bit. Sorry about the noise, don't know if you can hear it raining. These are my beautiful, beautiful pink carnations. Oh, it just, the smell of these is absolutely divine. Here we are, let's have a look here. The Bascom Snow Maiden dianthus, and then some cornflowers at the back. These are my petunias from last year. Pelargoniums, cuttings, delphiniums at the back. We have some dahlias there, some radishes, some spring onions, and then in my little cutting tray I have my begonias. These are from Thompson Morgan. See them there. I have 2, 3 tomato plants. They're just seeds that I spilt. Some begonias at the back, some dahlias at the back, some dahlia cuttings which are all rooted, so yeah, they're looking really well. And then here we have my heater bench. At the back there I have got some rudbeckia and some petunias that I'll be potting on tomorrow. Begonias there. These are show begonias. They're about £15 last year, but I'm going to take some cuttings off those. My tomatoes, they're all looking well. Everything, look at the flowers on them pelargoniums, absolutely gorgeous, full of flowers. And these are my begonias that I will take some cuttings from probably next few days. My dahlias there, calendula, viola and nemensia, all in the trays there, everything looking and growing really well. My cosmos that has been left to get too damp, the moisture levels, so I'm leaving that to dry. I've only got a couple of flowers there. Here's some, I don't know if they're going to grow, but they are some strawberry seeds. So yeah, that's a quick catch up. Sorry about the noise, folks. Yeah, my sweet peas there, that are really looking well. Everybody said, they're going leggy, but all you do is nip the top out. And what happens when you nip the top out and start feeding them? You get 3 or 4 shoots, and just keep doing that. So when it comes to time to plant them out, I will have some really nice plants. I mean, I've been heating my greenhouse, but I got an estimated bill a few weeks ago, probably 3 weeks ago. They wanted £4,000 for my electric bill. So, and it's only a small bungalow. So this has been off for the last 3 weeks. When I put it on when I come in to do a bit of work in here. So yeah, I've got my fan for the humidity, and that's a couple 100 watts fan, and that is just on. I have that on once at night and once during the day, just to keep the humidity levels down. So yeah, if you've got any questions on anything I'm growing here in the greenhouse, for me and Monkey, we'll be glad to get straight back to you. Anybody want to chat to Monkey is always available. He's always nattering my head off like Monkey. That's right, Paul. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, everybody. Hope everybody's enjoyed this little catch up. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. I hope everybody keeps safe. Look after yourselves. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.